want you to show off your cat.
Huh?
Pay the cat tax and get a chance to win DJI automatic cat feeder and Apple AirTag. Find the activity link put in the description to enter. Scroll down and upload one of your cat photo to see how much cat tax your cat owes. The website will then guide you to complete the missions here to win Meow Coins. The more Meow Coins you have, the bigger chance to win big prize. Let me show you how to interact and get more coins. First of all, log in with your email, or sign up with your email if you don't have an account. Back to the activity page. 20 coins of the sign-up task is successfully added to the integral coins. Secondly, click on each mission to complete them. Take the install one, for example. Click on the mission, and it will bring you to HitPaw product page. Click to get certain product, and then coins will be collected. There are missions for PC and app, and some missions can be completed multiple times. Try to get as many coins as possible to win bigger chance. More details, please read the rules on the page. Besides that, there are cool tools for you to make your cat photos or videos stand out. Feel free to explore more. The activity starts from March 9 to April 8. Good luck, everyone. Media made marvelous.